Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana, lesson number 10. Reboile gape, we are back with another lesson. Leina lameketian.
Leina la me ke Mpho.
And we are ready to teach you some Setswana. Au siame, Mpho?
Ki siame, au siame tian?
Ki siame. Are simole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 Minute Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta,
Now, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to say, what is this or what is that in Setswana. We're going to take the language a little bit further. And it's really exciting because it's great conversation starters. So the first thing I'd like you to teach me, Mpho, is how do I say to speak?
Go bua.
Go bua.
Yes.
Okay. So I speak would be ke bua.
Yes. Ke bua Setswana.
You see, that's exactly what I wanted to get to. Ke bua Setswana.
Yes.
At this stage, I probably won't say ke bua Setswana. I'll probably say I speak a little Setswana, but we'll get to that now. All right. So you speak Setswana would be o bua.
Setswana.
O bua Setswana.
Perfect.
Okay. But if I were to change that into a question, it would be a o bua Setswana. Correct?
Perfect.
All right. Okay. So you added something here on the notes. I think it's puo. What is puo?
Bua, it's language.
Oh, okay. So I speak a language would be ke bua puo.
Yes.
All right. So if I were to say I speak 4 languages, would I say ke bua di puo tse ne?
Perfect.
Hey, I'm getting it. Because I remember Johan and I had this conversation about using numbers. I, for instance, would like to say I speak English, Afrikaans, French, and Spanish. Okay? How would I say that in Setswana?
Ke bua Seesemane, that's English.
Okay.
Siburu, that's Afrikaans.
All right.
Sefranse, that's French.
Okay.
Le Sepenishi.
Okay, wow. All right, so let's break this apart. I speak obviously ke bua.
Yes.
Okay. You had a word for English.
Seesemane.
Seesemane.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And the word for Afrikaans?
Siburu.
Siburu.
You remember it's a borrowed word from boere?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. In Afrikaans, boer means farmer.
Yes.
Literally.
Yes.
Siburu.
Siburu. And if you look at that, buru, it's written as B-U-R-U.
Yes, I see
It's
that.
a borrowed word. But we took that and actually make it written and sound Setswana.
Yes, I
The
see
same
that.
word,
Yeah.
Sepenishi.
Sepinishi.
Yes.
You take Spanish, you add the vowels in between. You make
Yes.
sure the word ends in a vowel
And sound Setswana.
and sounds Setswana.
Yes.
Sepinishi.
Yes.
Okay. And se France, what did you say?
Sefranse,
Se France.
the same.
Okay. All right. Now, let's say, for instance, I said ke bua, English, Afrikaans, French, le Spanish. Would that be acceptable?
That will be acceptable.
Okay, on the street. At this stage, I'm still learning Setswana. Okay,
Yes.
so I can say ke bua, English, Afrikaans, French, Spanish, but I speak a little Setswana at this stage. How do I say that?
Ke bua Setswana gannye.
Ke bua Setswana ganye.
Or
Okay.
ke bua Setswana ganyenyane.
Ganyenyane.
Yes.
What would the difference be?
The difference is the location.
Okay.
Some other Botswana speaking people, they will be saying ganye. Others will be saying ganyenyane. Just to
Oh.
accommodate
Okay.
everyone.
Over here, you would say ganye.
I'll say ganye.
All right. And somewhere else, maybe ganyenyane. It's not that far apart, to be honest.
It isn't.
So you'll probably pick it up.
Yes.
Okay, so I speak a little Setswana. Ke bua Setswana. I speak Tswana a little. All right.
Yes.
Once again, the adjective
It's
at the end.
At the end.
It comes behind the noun. Okay. I don't speak. How would I make it negative again? I put the cha
Yes.
and the bua becomes bue.
Yes.
All right, so it's ga ke bue Setswana.
Yes. Ga ke bui.
Bue.
Bui sounds as if there's I at the end.
So it
yes.
ends in an E, but it's bui.
Bui.
Okay.
Yes. Ga ke bui Setswana.
Now, very important to know. How do I say understand? To understand in Setswana, what's the verb for that?
Go tlhaloganya.
Wow, okay. Go tlaloganya.
Yes. Go tlhaloganya.
Okay, go tlaloganya.
Yes. Make it sound from your, what do we call it?
The cheeks behind.
The cheeks behind, yes.
That's right.
Go tlhaloganya.
That's right. It's like you're closing the mouth. The teeth are almost closed onto one another.
Yes.
And you're using the tongue to
Yes, you make it flat.
Yes.
Ga ke tlhaloganya.
tlaloganya.
Yes.
All right. And I understand would be
Ke a
oh, okay. Ke
Tlaloganya.
tlaloganya.
yes.
I don't understand. Ga ke tlaloganye.
Ga ke tlhaloganye.
Ga ke tlaloganye.
Yes.
Okay. Now, many times whilst learning a language, at the beginning of learning a language, you're going to use this quite a bit, saying to other people, please speak a little slower. All right. Now, firstly, how would I say slowly?
Bonya.
Bonya.
Bonya. Tswe.
Bonya tswe.
Ka bonya. Tswe.
Do I add the ka in front?
Yes.
If I were to say speak slowly, it would be bua ka bonya.
Bua ka bonya. Tswe.
Okay. Now, just like in English and I think in any language, you can say what? All right. Can you say that in Setswana as well? Can you just go ing?
Yes.
Really?
Perfect. You can
Alright.
say it. Ing
Is
to ask what?
it a bit rude to say?
Not.
Not. Okay. That's good to know. I'm going to use that a lot.
Ing.
Ing. And another very important question. How do I write that?
Ke e kwala jang.
All right. What's the verb for to write?
Go kwala.
Go kwala.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say I, for instance, am speaking to you in Setswana and I just can't remember the word for car. Okay. Now, how do you say car?
O bitsa jang kara.
Now, obviously, I don't know the word for car. What is the word for car?
Koloi.
Koloi.
Yes.
Okay.
If
So,
you borrow, kara.
so I would rather say obitsa jang kara.
Yes.
Okay. So you call how a car.
Car.
All right. And then you're going to respond in Setswana, koloi.
Koloi.
Okay. All right. Great. Just a last question. What is the word for
Ka Setswana, ke eng?
ka Setswana ke eng?
Yes.
So what we're actually saying is ka Setswana in Setswana ke eng. It is what?
Perfect.
And I suppose you can flip it around. Ke eng ka Setswana.
Yes.
Okay, well, that's not too difficult. I think we should stop here for today, Mpho. I hope this has been useful to the listeners. And don't forget to go to the website, 20minutesetswana.co.za. We've got everything you need to take you to the next level of learning this beautiful African language. So we'll see you next week on 20 Minutes Setswana. Go fitlela nako e etlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say later.